My dear students, I hope you all are well, safe, and are staying at your home. I am also fine. My dear students, you know, all through the world, education system has been stopped for corona pandemic crisis, and now the alternative way is to take class online. Today, I am Muhammad Bahauddin, Assistant Teacher Govt Muslim Model High School, is going to place before you a class on grammar of class 8. It is equally important for the class 6, 7 and 9, 10 also. Dear students, today my topic is affirmative sentence to negative sentence. Okay, let's learn on affirmative sentence into negative sentence. Dear learners, rule number 1, when in affirmative sentence there is alone or only and it indicates any person, then you have to write none but in place of only or alone. Clear, students? That is, in place of alone or only, you have to write none but when alone or only indicates any person. Okay, example we can write, dear students, we can write only Allah can help us. What will be its negative? Its negative will be none but. In place of only, none but. Negative. Negative. None but Allah, A-double-L-A-S, Allah can, A-C-L-P, help us. So then what is the change, students? The change is only has been changed and none but has come. That is, only Allah can help us, and the negative sentence will be none but Allah can help us. Dear students, then if only this alone or only indicates anything or any material, then you have to write nothing but in place of only or alone. Clear, students? That is, when only or alone indicates anything or any material, you have to write nothing but in place of only or alone. Okay. The next example, he offered, O-F-E-R-E-D, offered me only sweets. Okay, what will be its negative? What will be its negative will be he, O-F-F-E-R-E-D, offered me nothing, N-O-T-S, nothing but sweets. Okay, clear? What is the sense? In place of only there is nothing but. That is, nothing but has been added and only has been omitted, has been expelled. Okay, dear student, the next one is if only or alone indicate any number. Any number, what you will write? You will have to write not more than, or not less than. Clear, student? Then suppose he is only 10. What will be its negative? Negatibe, negative. What will be its negative? Its negative will be he is not more, more. He is not more than 10. Okay, clear, dear students? There are a lot of examples you can write. You can write only Rohim is fit for the job. What will be its negative? Its negative will be none but Rohim is fit for the job. And for nothing but we can write I have only a shirt. What will be its negative? Its negative will be I have nothing but a shirt. That is, in place of only nothing but has been added. Nothing but has been added. Okay, he is only 10. Here another example can be I need only 10 taka. Suppose I am writing another example. I need only 10 taka. What will be its negative? Its negative will be I need not more than 10 taka. Okay, like this. Okay, dear students, I believe you are okay and you have understood what I have meant, what I have told you. You have understood, I believe. Okay, dear students, rule number 2. When in any sentence there is must or have to or has to, you have to omit that must or have to or has to make the sentence negative. And what will be written in negative sentence? In place of that must, have to or has to, you have to write cannot but or cannot help plus verb ing. That is, when you will write cannot help, you will have to add verb ing after it. Okay. Example you can write he must follow my order. What will be its negative? Its negative will be he can not but follow follow my order. Okay, we can write also or he can not but cannot help following following my order. That is, in place of must we have written cannot but. We can also write cannot help plus verb ing following. Follow has been following. Follow has been changed into following. Okay, dear student, I think you have understood. Okay, I repeat the rule. That is, in place of must, you have to write cannot but or cannot help, and after cannot help, with verb ing. That is following. Follow has been changed into following. Okay, dear students, I believe you have understood what I mean to you, what I have described. You have understood, I believe. Okay, dear student, come to the next rule, that is rule 3. Rule number 3. Okay, if there is auxiliary verb, auxiliary, auxiliary verb, am, is, are, was, were, have, has, had, must, ought to. Okay, like this. These kinds of auxiliary verbs. If there is auxiliary verb in affirmative sentence, how will you make it negative? To make it negative, you have to add not. And after that, antonym, ANTO, antonym, NYM, antonym of adjective, adjective, ADJECTIV, adjective, VERB, verb, or adverb, adverb, VERB. Okay, dear students, in affirmative sentence when there is auxiliary verb, how you will make it negative? That is, I repeat, if there is auxiliary verb in affirmative sentence, how will you make it negative? You have to add not after auxiliary verb, and then of that adjective, verb, or adverb, the opposite word will come. Okay, opposite word or antonym will come. Suppose, example, he is a BRILLIANT, brilliant, STUDENT, is a brilliant student. He is a brilliant student. What will be its negative? According to rule, you have to write he is not. After auxiliary verb is, you will have to write not, and then article, and then the opposite word of brilliant. Brilliant is adjective. You have to write the opposite word of brilliant. What is the opposite word of brilliant? The opposite word of brilliant is the. He is not a dull, STUDENT, student. Another example we can write, I shall remember, REMEMBER, I shall remember you. What will be its negative? I shall remember you. Here we find auxiliary verb shall. Then what will be its negative? Its negative will be I shall not. Okay, after shall, auxiliary verb shall, we have written not, and then we shall have to write the opposite word of remember. I think you know what is the opposite word of remember. Do you know, student? Okay, the opposite word of remember is forget. FORGET, forget. You I shall not forget you. Like this we can write a lot of examples. We can indicate a lot of examples. Okay, dear students, rule number 4, I believe you have understood rule number 3. And now we shall go for rule number 4. Okay, rule number 4. Dear students, when there is no auxiliary verb in affirmative sentence, what you will write to make it negative? Without W-A-T-S-O-U-T. Without auxiliary verb, auxiliary A-U-X-I-L-I-A-R-Y, auxiliary verb, without auxiliary verb, in negative sentence, in negative sentence, do not, does not, did not, will come, did not plus the opposite word, the O-double-B-O-S-I-T-E, opposite word. Okay. Dear students, example. Okay, I clear you, I repeat you, that is, when in affirmative sentence there is no auxiliary verb, then how will you make it negative? If there is no auxiliary verb, that is without auxiliary verb in sentence, you have to write do not, does not, or did not according to tense, and then you have to write the opposite word of that verb or adverb or adjective. Okay, example. We B-E-L-I-E-V-E-D believed you a lot. What will be its negative? Students, negative. N-E-G-A-T-I-V-E. Negative. What will be its negative? Its negative will be subject we, as it is past tense, believed. You will have to write we did not. We did not. We did not. And the opposite word of believed. Students, do you know the opposite word of believe? I think you know. And the opposite word of believe is disbelieve. D-I-S-B-E-L-I-E-V-E. Disbelieve. You. Okay, I omit a lot to make the sentence easy. Okay, negative. Negative sentence, we did not disbelieve you. Okay, dear students, have you understood what I have meant to you? I have meant to you, if there is no auxiliary verb, here we believed you. In this sentence, there is no auxiliary verb. And what will you do to make the sentence negative? You have to write did not after subject, as it is past indefinite tense. So dear students, when it is past indefinite tense and there is no auxiliary verb, you will have to bring did not. You will have to write did not, and you will have to change the word, verb word or adjective word or adverb word. That is, believe is a verb word, and we know the opposite word of believe is disbelieve. That's why, example, we believed you, negative will be we did not disbelieve you. Okay, dear students, another one rule, that is another example we shall discuss on, that is rule number 5. Rule number 5, when there is both, B-O-T-S, both, and in the middle there is and or only and, what will be the rule for negative one? The rule will be both in place of both you will have to write not only, and in place of and you will have to write but also. B-U-T, but, A-L-S-O. Okay. In affirmative sentence, when there is both and in the middle there is and, you will have to write first in place of both not only, and in place of and you have to write but also. Okay. Then an example we can write. Suppose both Robin and Sohag are fit for the job. What will be its negative? Dear students, according to rule, for making it negative sentence, the sentence both Robin and Sohag are fit for the job, what will you write for negative sentence? You will have to write in place of both, you will have to write not only Robin but also Sohag. Are FIT fit for the job. Okay, clear? What is the change? Can you find out, dear students? I think it is easy. You understand. That is, in place of both, you have to write not only. We have written not only. And in place of and, we have written but also. Both. And we have written not only and but also. And the examples is both Robin and Sohag are fit for the job. The negative sentence, not only Robin but also Sohag are fit for the job. Like this, we can write a lot of examples. Suppose both Messi and Ronaldo are good player. We can write for negative sentence, not only Messi but also Ronaldo are good player. Okay, dear students, I think if you follow the rules, if you practice sentences like this, you will be helpful and it will help you at your next stages of life. Okay, I hope you will follow the rules and practice more. Dear students, you will do my followings, and I am giving you home task. That is, you will use both then must, both must, only. This, you will use this word and make affirmative sentences, and with that you will make negative sentences following the rules. Okay, dear students, I believe you will follow the rules and do your job. Okay, remain safe. I wish you good luck. Thank you everybody. Welcome.